Welcome to Product Critique, the channel where we break down the best gear to help you make smarter buying decisions. And today, we're diving into what we'd confidently call the best wireless backup camera on the market. The Pemacom P15 Magnetic Solar Wireless Backup Camera with a 7-inch display. If you're driving a truck, trailer, camper, or small RV, this 1-minute installation camera could be the game changer you've been looking for. Now let's get right into it. At first glance, the Pemacom P15 already impresses with its sleek design and a generously sized 7-inch monitor. But it's not just about looks. This thing is all about practical innovation. You get an HD 1080p resolution camera, meaning your rearview footage is crystal clear, even in tricky lighting conditions. No more guessing whether that's a curb, a cone, or a child's bike behind you. You see everything in vivid clarity. And when it comes to installation, the Pemacom P15 redefines convenience. There are no cables, no drilling, no tech headaches. Thanks to the magnetic base, you can snap the camera onto any metallic surface in under a minute. That's right, less time fumbling with tools, more time hitting the road. It's a plug-and-play experience that even non-tech savvy users will appreciate. Now let's talk power. The Pemacom P15 is solar-powered, but it also has a built-in rechargeable battery. This dual system ensures that your camera stays active whether you're parked in the sun or cruising on a cloudy day. And when it's time to recharge, just plug it in, no need to uninstall anything. It's designed to keep up with your travel schedule, not interrupt it. But what really seals the deal is the lag-free transmission. A lot of so-called wireless cameras suffer from delayed video feeds. That can be dangerous, especially when you're maneuvering a large vehicle. Not this one. The Pemacom P15 delivers a stable, real-time image to the monitor so you can reverse with total confidence. And the screen itself is scratch-resistant, so it can handle the rough and tumble life of RV or trailer travel. Now if you're towing a camper or backing up a trailer, distance is always a concern. This unit has an impressive transmission range, meaning you'll get a reliable feed even with longer rigs. Whether you're on the highway or parked at a campsite, the connection stays solid. It's perfect for RV owners, trailer haulers, weekend campers, and anyone who's had enough of blind spots and backup anxiety. It brings the safety and ease of a built-in rear camera system without the cost and hassle of a permanent installation. To wrap it up, the Pemacom P15 Magnetic Solar Wireless Backup Camera delivers on every front: HD clarity, no delay video, solar and rechargeable power, fast magnetic installation, and a durable 7-inch display. For just around $100, you're getting top-tier safety, convenience, and peace of mind on the road. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this camera seems like the right fit for your rig, check the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss our breakdowns of the best gear on the market. See you in the next one.